Today we'll be using our 3D printers to organize these battery chargers. If you're like me and you have a lot of cameras, then you'll probably have a bunch of battery chargers. While this video is for battery chargers, you can use it for anything you want to make it look much more tidy. Behind these are basically 3D printed outlets. It's really easy to print. Maybe it takes less than 20 minutes. You screw it onto the wall and then your power adapter plugs straight in. Now, none of my battery chargers are laying around in a shelf where I can't find. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with organizing stuff in the house. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.